everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy Italian tomato sauce. This tomato sauce can be used to serve pasta or even rice, or even just as a side dish when you're serving any other meal. So here I've got the ingredients. So first we got your onions, and then I've got some garlic which I've crushed. I just need to chop them. And then I've got 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, some olive oil, and basil. Once you put the fire on, you just need to put your pan and just drizzle a bit of olive oil, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then now I'm going to add my onions. And now you just want to stir them and cook them until they're nice and soft. Once your onion is cooking down, as you can see, now I'm just going to get my garlic ready. So I already crushed my garlic, and I'm just going to chop it. My garlic is ready, and now I'm just going to add it into my onions, which is nice and soft and is now almost starting to brown. I'm going to cook the onions for a few seconds. Make sure you don't burn. We don't want the garlic to burn, because otherwise it spoils the taste of your delicious tomato sauce. My onions are now ready, and I'm going to add in the 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. And just the first one. I'm now going to stir in the tomato, and I will now add the salt. I prefer to use the sea salt because of the many benefits that the sea salt has, but you can use any salt that you have. Now I'm going to put the fire up. The whole idea is I want the tomatoes to start boiling, and once it starts boiling, I'm going to simmer it down. Okay. As my tomato now has started boiling, I'm going to cover it and then simmer it. Bring the fire down so that I can simmer it. I'll be checking every 5 minutes, and yeah. As you can see, the tomato now is cooking really nicely. This is my first stir. Still has a lot of water in it, so I'm going to let it cook more. It's thickening nicely. Great. As you can see, this is cooking really beautifully. The water, as you can see on the side, is drying out, and because we want to make sure that it continues cooking, I'm going to add just a little bit of water. You never add too much, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna continue cooking it down. Again, I want the water to cook down as these tomatoes thickens. It will become, that's when it tastes even better. My tomato has now been cooking for about 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to add the last ingredients, which is our lovely fresh basil. Just rinsed it, and now just going to add it in and stir it. Oh, look at that. That's a beauty. There you go. add that in. Just stir that in. And now guys, you can cook the tomato for even longer if you need to. You know, especially if you're going to have more things, because the longer you cook the tomato, the better it tastes. I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial video and enjoy your dinner.